I'd like everyone to meet Oreo's favorite toy, the narwhal. Can I show people your narwhal? Can you show people your narwhal that you've gutted? Come on. Let me show the people your narwhal. Drop. Good boy. Boop, boop. Yeah. As you can see, Oreo's narwhal is a little gutted. But he still loves it. Don't you, buddy? Don't you, buddy? Come here. Come here. Oh, good boy. Good boy. You ready? You want your narwhal? Okay, here you go. Oh, that was a bad throw. That was a bad throw. Like I said, he loves his narwhal. Goofy boy. You're so good. You're so good, buddy.